Welcome to your first Spanish grammar lesson with Idioma Pro. Today we're going to start off by talking about subject pronouns. What exactly is a subject pronoun? A subject pronoun is the star or the protagonist of a sentence. It tells you who does the action of the verb. The first subject pronoun we're going to discuss is yo. Yo in English is I. To talk about you, we use the pronoun tú. In Spanish, there is another pronoun that also means you. Usted also means you. So we have two ways to say you. We're going to talk more about that later on. To say he, we use the pronoun él, and she, we use the pronoun ella. These are the singular pronouns. So, I just mentioned that both tú and usted would translate into English as you. How do we know when to use which one? Well, we use tú in situations that are informal, such as to greet a friend or somebody that you know very well. Usted we use to show respect to somebody that may be a little bit older or could just be a stranger. If you're not sure which one to use, it's better to use usted. Moving on to the plural subject pronouns, as you can see in the chart here, each singular subject pronoun has a plural equivalent. Nosotros means we. Vosotros means you, as in the sense of you all, talking to a group. Ustedes, again, the same thing, also means you all. We'll talk about the difference in a minute. Ellos means they, referring to a group of boys, and ellas means they, referring to a group of girls. Once again, we have a difference between informal and formal situations. Vosotros is used when you are talking to a group of people informally. Ustedes is used to talk to a group of people formally, such as co-workers or a group of people that may be older than you. The trick is, vosotros is only used in Spain. So if you're studying the Spanish of Latin America, it doesn't matter if it's a formal or informal situation, you're always going to stick with ustedes. And there you have a basic introduction to subject pronouns in Spanish. If you're watching this video on our website, idiomapro.com, you can review everything I've just said in transcription form underneath this video. Make sure to also check out the quiz we have on the website to verify how well you've learned the lesson. See you in the next lesson.